Hi, this is David Quatella, International Brand Manager with Siemens, and welcome to this VoltStream video featuring one of our medium voltage solutions.
Siemens Compact Modular Recloser, or CMR, is a recloser that requires minimal maintenance, is voltage powered and lightweight. It is a cost-effective alternative to traditional oil-filled single-phase reclosers. Traditional oil-filled reclosers typically have a regular maintenance cycle of around about 5 years or after a certain number of operations. The CMR is maintenance-free for its 25-year pole-top life, except for the rechargeable batteries. It's going to reduce operating costs by eliminating the need to regularly replace oil, plus avoid the need to adjust timing mechanisms throughout the life of the recloser. It is also rated for 630 amps, so the one device can be used for multiple applications and it can be configured as required, and this significantly reduces the amount of inventory that a utility might need to hold. Finally, the Cmos Eventlog and its ability to capture data such as load profile and reliability data greatly assist troubleshooting of any network outage. One of the unique features about the CMR is its ability to harvest power from line voltage instead of line current. This means that the device can be self-powered even if there's no current on the line or if the device itself is open. For reliability and ease of installation, the Siemens Compact Modular Recloser integrates the switch unit, the control, and the voltage power source in a single insulated epoxy housing. Weighing less than 50 pounds, the CMR is available with a range of mounting options suitable for either cross-arm mounting or mounting directly onto the pole. One of the helpful features of the CMR is that it has an integrated GPS clock. This allows the 10,000 event log to be time-stamped to an accuracy of 10 milliseconds. Siemens Compact Modular Recloser can be supplied with its protection pre-configured so that it can be dropped in place of existing oil-filled reclosers with no need for any setup or configuration. Each of its 4 shots to lockout can be configured with any combination of curve, and each of these can be modified with either multipliers or time delays to optimize coordination. As an integrated device, the CMR's electronic controller and accurate sensing CT ensure precise protection performance. One of the key advantages of the CMR is that all its data is available wirelessly using an encrypted communications. So an operator can arrive at the bottom of a pole and easily download all the data securely and safely. It's possible to connect in the future a remote control unit or RCU, which can then connect to the CMR using encrypted wireless communications. For operators familiar with oil-filled reclosers, there's an easily accessible non-reclose lever and trip close lever. A mechanical trip ensures the device can be opened at any time. So for simple reclosing applications where you might use a traditional oil-filled recloser today, the CMR is a cost-effective alternative to provide you with greater flexibility.
That's some great information. Here's a quick recap of some of the key differentiators that make this a great Siemens solution. Thank you for watching. To get more information, please contact your local Siemens sales engineer or authorized Siemens distributor, or simply visit our website.
Warning: there are hazardous voltages associated with the installation of these products, which can cause death, serious injury, or property damage. Turn off power before working on this equipment. Only qualified employees can work on electrical equipment. When working near energized equipment, please wear PPE as specified in NFPA 70E.
Siemens. Ingenuity for life.